In this makeup tutorial, we're going to go and do zombie bite makeup. This is a perfect addition to any zombie costume that you might be planning in the near future. So, let's go and get started. You are going to need a good amount of scar wax. Take the scar wax and go and apply it onto your cheek. Use your fingers to go and sculpt it, along with also press it, along with also petroleum jelly to go and smooth out the edges. Use a circular motion at the edges to go and blend it in with your skin. After it's blended, take off any extra petroleum jelly, put on red powdered cosmetic, and from there, what you're going to go and do is you're going to go and put yellow around the edges to make it look nasty, inflamed, and infected. After that is done, follow it up with a small amount of green at the edges, and from there, go and follow it up with a very small amount of purple as well in the center. Now use a metal sculpting tool that is blunt and create bite marks. 4 to 6 is usually good. I'm going with just about 5 on the top and also 5 on the bottom. In the middle, putting down more red cosmetic, blending it out, and from there going back into the inner portion with a very small amount of black mixed with a darker red. After that is set, I'm going back with some fake blood, and I'm going and putting a very, very light layer in the inner portion of this. This is a darker colored fake blood, and then making some veins with both purple along with also blue cosmetic. Some of the lines are going to be a little bit darker, some are going to be a little bit lighter. Start off with darker lines, and from there go and make ones that are just a little bit lighter, and your makeup should start to look like this. It's pretty gross. And then go back in with a bit more of the fake blood that you have. This time what I'm doing is I'm making sure to get a small amount in the center, but mainly in the areas where the tooth marks are. After you're done, your makeup should look like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, have a good one and take care.